Today I have a new powder foundation that I'm going to try so we can see if it is a match. Welcome to Makeup Without Limitations, where you'll be uplifted and you will learn something today. I prime my face with e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer, and it is a semi-matte. This is it. As you heard, I have a new powder foundation I'm going to try. And it is the Loreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in a powder. The shade I'm trying today is 365 and it is copper. This is what it looks like. I have not swatched it. I just got back from Walmart. This is what it looks like. It has a mirror here and it comes with a puff. I'm not going to use the puff today. I'm going to swatch this powder. And I'll just put it on the back of my hand. This is it. This is what it looks like. Now, I have 330, which is hazelnut. I'll swatch that and put it next to it. This is what hazelnut looks like. Hazelnut on my finger. This is copper. I'm putting hazelnut next to copper. It looked like copper disappeared, right? But copper is right here. I also have 370 mocha. This is what mocha looks like. Mocha is very dark and hazelnut. Mocha is very dark and hazelnut is very light. I'm going to swatch. This is what mocha looks like. I'm going to put mocha next to hazelnut. So these are the three shades. I'm also going to put them right here. So we start with mocha. See mocha? This is mocha. Mocha is very dark for me. Hazelnut is going next to it. This is hazelnut. Now, copper, which is the one I just bought. Let's swatch it right here. You see the three shades? Copper, mocha, hazelnut. In the next coming videos, I will do the copper versus the mocha, and then the hazelnut versus the copper. I have videos on me using the mocha and the hazelnut. Check my powder foundation playlist and you will see what it looks like on my skin. So I was happy to find that copper is in between these two shades so I can try it. Let us see if I did get my match. You ready? Let us start. On my left side, which will be your right, I'm using an e.l.f. It's say a blending brush, but I don't care. I'm going to use it and put the powder foundation from Loreal Infallible on my left, which will be your right. I did say in the beginning, I am not going to use the sponge, but I will use the sponge so we can see in the first review what it looks like. So I'm doing half of my face with the brush and the other half will be with the sponge. So far, this is looking good. Let me know in the comments what you think, okay? Because it took me a long time to actually find the copper because I've never come across the copper before. This is the first time I've come across it. And I was like, oh, okay. Let me see if this one works because the shade range is not that great when it comes to the darker side people. But the foundation is a good foundation. And I paid, what, $14.99 for it? And this is what it's looking like with the brush. It goes on effortlessly and it looks really nice. It looks nice on the skin. I love a powder foundation. I have a whole playlist on powder foundations, so check it out. Brush side, what do you think? Did I get my match or what? Woo, I am excited. Take a look at the copper. This is the copper with the brush. This is nice. This is nice. Now I'm going to use their sponge. I didn't want to use it, but I was like, nah, this will defeat the purpose of, letting you see everything in the first try. So I'm just going to do the other side of my face with the sponge, and I'm going very lightly. The sponge will give me more coverage than the brush. The brush gives me a lighter coverage and the sponge gives me a heavier coverage. And I know that because, like I said, I love powder foundation. So I've used the brush and I have used sponge. So I'm aware of what coverage I'm getting with which according to what I use. But you seeing this? Oh my, did I get my shade? Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments. Let's communicate. Oh my Lord, my God. I hope you can see the difference between the sponge and the brush. Wow. This is my right side, which will be your left side when watching that. And that is with the sponge. I am excited. I am excited. I had given up on L'Oreal Infallible. My mind just came on them recently again while I was looking for new powder foundations. And I checked and I was like, oh, they have a copper. Maybe that might work. I went to a couple stores yesterday, didn't see it. Today I went to Walmart and they had it. So hello to copper. Number 365 copper is it. That's it. Oh my God. What do you think? Tell me in the comments. I am loving it. Oh my God. I am excited. When you watch my powder foundation playlist, you'll see why I just love powder foundation. I have lots of them and I'm always adding more when I can, but I use my products. Those two, I kept them because I know if I did get my match, I would like to compare them so you can see the difference. So this will be coming up soon. My left, I use a brush. Take a look. You see the finish? My right, which will be your left, I use the sponge. You see the finish? The finishes are different. Lighter, heavier. When I say heavy, I mean like more coverage. Lighter coverage, more coverage. This is it. Tell me what you think. Yes. I am happy because I truly love it. It is a truly, truly nice foundation. But I just knew the other shades were not mine. I would make them work. But now that I find my real one, hello, new foundation in my hands. Thank you for watching very much. Today's encouraging word is say, I open myself to all good. I open myself to all good. All good. What it means for you and to you. Keep yourself open to it. Start with God. He is all good. And add more. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. Do not give up on yourself. If you are having trouble and things are not right, please, please seek help. Help is always available. You just have to reach out and ask for it. I will see you shortly. And until I see you and you see me, Open your heart to all good. Open yourself to all good. Open your mind, your eyes to all good. Bye.